Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be getting ready because it's date night. That's my best friend in the back, India. Don't mind her, she's chilling, whatever. But I'm not talking through this. It's very chill, relaxed. You're gonna see what I do with my face, and I'm also gonna show you guys my outfit that I wear. So yep, stay tuned and let's get started.
You're better without me. Know for a fact that you're happy now. Hate that I treated you badly. Not much to do except apologize. No, I don't want you back, not at all. I just wanted to give you a call. I regret what I said at the mall. No, I don't even miss you a bit. You and I didn't work, didn't fit. And I think you were right, I admit. You hear me through. No, I was bad for you, so I gotta tell the truth. I didn't mean to call you a liar. I didn't mean to start up a fire. Baby, hurting you was not my desire. The only thing to do is tell you I'm sorry. We got some history, baby. It goes back to when you said you liked me. Went out for dinner, the movies. I used to think that we were so lucky. No, I don't want you back, not at all. I just wanted to give you a call. I regret what I said at the mall. No, I don't even miss you a bit. You and I didn't work, didn't fit. And I think you were right, I admit. I didn't mean to call you a liar. I didn't mean to start up a fire. Baby, hurting you was not my desire. The only thing to do is tell you I'm sorry. I didn't mean to call you a liar. I didn't mean to start up a fire. Baby, hurting you was not my desire. The only thing to do is tell you I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. Ooh, baby, I'm sorry. Oh, baby, I'm sorry. Ooh, baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh yeah. I didn't mean to call you a liar. I didn't mean to start up a fire. Baby, hurting you was not my desire. The only thing to do is tell you I'm sorry.
Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me, baby girl, another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way back some clothes from your ATM. Wanna glow every time you come in. Be the one with the bag when you're out with your friends now. Oh no no no. Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in. You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Fanta. Danger how she move, no panta. Hey, hey. she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your moms I'm your ATM. In no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lounge with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends now. With your friends now. Girl, up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl, walk me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love, Girl, up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl, walk me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love. Baby girl, I like it how you move, moving like the ocean, yeah. She deep like the ocean. She got waves in the hair just like the ocean, yeah, like the ocean. Keep it in nose with my man, some distance from the ocean. Wavy like the ocean, baby, yeah, you looking like the ocean. Deep in my pocket like the ocean. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. In no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lounge with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends now. Oh no no no. Girl, up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl, walk me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love, Girl, up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl, walk me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love, Bobby, hey Bobby.
Okay, so this is the finished look. Trying to zoom in. Wow, wow. So I just went for something very simple, bronzy. Please do not mind any oil. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so I'm using my vlog camera. That's why it's a little bit more, wow, I can't film today. Okay. But yeah, so anyways, let me show you guys my outfit. So India, can you show them my outfit?
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Here, you can flip it so you can see. No, it's not showing. Okay, so this is what I decided to wear. It's just this bodycon that's a bodycon. It has one little thing on the side. It's an asymmetrical bodycon. There we go.
Mm-hmm.
And then this black pencil skirt. I think I got this from Boohoo years ago, and this is from Boohoo, I think, as well too. And I'm just gonna put on some black strappy heels. Thanks for tuning in
To my Get Ready.
Come here, let's go in the light. Thanks for watching this chill vlog, get ready with me, date night video. I hope you guys like it So leave a comment down below. Like this video.
For me doing her makeup next time.
We do need to film that video. So if you guys want to see her do my makeup, and she knows how to do makeup, but
I'm not a makeup doer, that's all.
she's not a makeup doer. So if you guys want to see that video, let me know. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.